Today I share with you how I made this donut breakfast. It's just everything you need in donut. It was just so delicious. To begin, we are going to be needing a cup of milk. So I make use of just 1 cup of milk. Next, I need is melted butter. At the same time, I'm going to be needing 1 egg. Then next I need is yeast. Then add in sugar. Then stir everything together. I'm going to stir that until everything gets combined like this. It's just so nice and simple. So after stirring that, we are going to be adding all-purpose flour. I make use of 3 cups. Don't forget to strain your flour before you make use of it. Then add that and keep on stirring. At this point, you don't need to add in any other thing. Just keep on mixing. Even if you see it that soft like this, don't get afraid. Keep on mixing. So what you do now is to transfer everything back inside the wall surface like this. Now, this is the time you have to add in salt. So add in the salt, then add in a little bit of flour and mix everything together. You are going to keep on mixing that until the batter comes together. So just like this, you are going to have this amazing dough. At this point, it's ready, and then all you do now is to press that. See that now. So when you press, it's going to bounce back. That means it's ready. You are going to transfer that back inside a bowl like this, then cover that for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is what it looks like. It has double its size. So what I do now is to bring that back inside the wall surface like this. I bring everything back like this, then use this cutter to divide that into 2. So when I divide that into 2, I'm going to keep one of it. I keep it aside like this. Then the other one, I'm going to work on it first. Then use my roller to roll it like this. So cut any excess like this. So just try to roll it until you have a rectangle shape like this. So what you do now is to use your cutter to cut it like this. So once you have that rectangle shape, you are going to cut it like this, and it's going to be so amazing. Just follow this process to roll it the same way I roll mine. It's going to be nice. So what you do now is to use your hand to just roll it like this. Just take one of it and roll it. You don't need to bring it out at this point. You can easily roll it from here the same way I'm doing mine. It was just so simple and delicious. So just keep on rolling everything until everything gets rolled and come out nice for you. I just love it. Have you shared this video? It's just so massive. Like, it's so massive to try. You are easily going to enjoy this for breakfast. Your kids, everyone around you is going to enjoy this recipe. It's sweet, so nice, and I just love this donut. It's everything delicious. So after getting that done, I'm going to transfer that back inside a pan. Before now, we are going to be adding paper inside the pan that we are going to use to add in the donuts like this. So first of all, adding paper, then transfer everything back like this. So this is me after getting everything done. I'm going to transfer that back inside this pan like this. Now you are going to cover that to rest for 30 minutes before you proceed. 30 minutes later, it has double its size. Then at this point, we have hot oil. Then I'm going to add that inside oil and then let that to get fried. Have you shared this video? Like, have you shared this video? Once you are adding this, it's going to rest on top of the oil like this. It's not going to stick down inside the oil. So that is why you have to follow this process to mix this your batter, and then you are going to have amazing donuts like this. It sweet so nice. I'm going to fry that until it comes out amazing. Wow, I just love this color. I just love the way this get fried, and I just love the crunchiness. It's sweet so amazing. At this point, I'm going to separate everything from the oil. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, just enjoy this, especially for breakfast. We enjoy every bit of this. It's sweet, so amazing. Before I even fry this, guys, my kids have already eaten too, like it too sweet. So the taste is massive. So that is just it. Bring everything out like this, and then look at the beautiful color. I just love this. So guys, look at that. At this point, you are done frying that. So this is what we have. All you have to do is to share and then go and try this for your family. It's going to be everything you need to enjoy. Look at that now. See me cutting this. It was so soft, so much watery. Like, I just love the softness like this. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. In my next one, all you have to do is to share. Try it out. You are going to love it. Bye.